to a new video, and yeah, I'm on a very windy promenade here in Blackpool today. I mean, this time it's not actually dark, so my camera shouldn't play up, but there are quite a few sandstorms about, especially down on the beach. You can actually see the sand move about. I'm not sure if my GoPro will actually pick up or not, so I'll zoom in. But yeah, it's pretty windy. I mean, so far, touch wood, the rain's currently stinging off us. And I've just been to that Christmas by the sea back there, and the Skydance ride, that's not on. Waltzers in the Dark, that's currently not running. I think with it being high wind, and the roof's actually off at the moment. So yeah, I think that's probably the reason why it's not actually running. And I can actually feel the sunlight hitting my face at the moment. It's either that or it's the rain, I'm not too sure which. Yeah, I thought I'd pan the camera around and show you guys what it's actually like down here. Yeah, so that's not going at the moment. That wind thing is a bit over. And yeah, not sure if you can see it, but there's the sand. It's just blowing. Try and keep my hood up because it is actually starting to absolutely pounce it. Yeah, I'm not going to be going in Madame Tussauds or anything like that today. You saying that, I do have a mailing pass, so it makes sense, right? Where they're going, just to get my money's worth out of them. Yeah, Seal I sent, I think that's open. Madame Tussauds is open, I think. But I mean, saying that, just get me out the rain. It'll be good. And it's not rain, it's hail. Yeah, it's actually a hailstone, I think. So I'll try and get in this bit here where it's a bit dry. I'll put my gloves on. So yeah, it is the last Sunday before Christmas Day, and this weather's not doing Blackpool any favours whatsoever. I mean, Christmas by the sea is quiet. I don't see there being many businesses along the Prom being open, for it being like it is. I mean, currently so far, I think we've still got a yellow weather warning in place for high wind up until this evening, I think. Yeah, apart from me being absolutely stupid coming out in this weather, let's see who else is braving the weather. Yeah, Madame Tussauds, I think it's open. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, they've got a door open. I think they've got a door open. Yeah, it looks weird seeing the wheel on the central pier not spinning. I think Madame Tussauds is actually open. A couple of businesses along the Prom are braving the weather, trying to be open for you passers by. few places are actually closed. Must have seen the weather report and thought, yeah, we'll stay positive for today. It doesn't seem to be all that busy today anyway. Someone's umbrella over there's gone inside out. Yeah, we've got Central Pages here. Just the arcade's open. Don't think you can actually walk out onto the pier itself. And again, sort of weather it is, why would you? And then if you look up in the sky, you'll see a bright yellow ray of sunshine. And here comes the weather again. So yeah, this will be my last video before Christmas, but obviously it'll be uploaded after Christmas. So yeah. I know I always seem to do the prom, but I do a circle walk, so I'm always getting the prom no matter what. It's just the way I walk, and I always end up walking along the prom for the last part. You just can't beat a nice walk along the prom. Actually being alright today. Yeah, look at that ray of sunshine just up there. Just here. It's trying to break through. It's going to be shameless. I will actually no. I might end up doing a video Christmas Eve, so that won't be uploaded till the week after possibly. Wind is extremely strong. You probably hear my wood rattling about in the wind. A couple of signs there wafting about in the wind with it being that strong. I'm going to carry on a bit further up and I'll catch you all up there. Yeah, but look at that. Even though the tide's not in, those are some rough waves coming in. Still got all this cornered off. is a bit of a shame. Yeah, I had to go to Greg's before because I was pretty hungry, so I thought I'd get myself a sausage roll or two. Yeah, that wind is blowing some in a bit. Hopefully quite a bit up the prom now. Got a couple of hotels, people staying for the Christmas breaks and that. Yeah, this wind, it reminds me of a couple of years, quite a few years back, if you remember the Talk Boy that came out from Home Alone 2. There was actually a lot of wind like this, and my dad worked on the airport back then when he was around, and came home one day and said, oh yeah, so the planes have flipped upside down because it was that windy, and there was I think there was a couple of power cuts or whatnot, and yeah, it was quite a memorable day that. Obviously I was there recording on the talk boy. Oh my god, I still remember. Even getting battered by the sand, it's that bad. You got the sun there trying to break through. Got a couple of workers trying to fight against the wind. It's that bad. Jesus, they must be absolutely loving it, trying to battle against this wind. Yeah, it's just like absolute ghost town today. All along the prom. So quiet. Got catering outlets closed, obviously, with the weather. I'm not surprised whatsoever. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've got sand just blowing right against me at the moment, which is not a good sign. That wind is just some and a half. Wonder why that wind's actually coming from. It's pretty darn strong. I mean strong. I'm surprised if my camera's even picking my voice up, because you can just hear the wind howling. And my mic's going a bit higher in volume with wings. Wonder what this storm's called there. Definitely a yellow weather report from high winds anyway. Got a bit of wild here trying to brave it. You think to yourself, oh yeah, can't breathe it. You get memories in it and all. So you can be like, oh yeah, do you remember when we went to Blackpool? It's blowing like 90 mile per hour winds. We got splashed by the sea waves. Yeah, it's all memories. I'm starting to wish that I can't bought my other jacket. What about the hood? Because this hood's quite annoying flapping about in the wind. I mean, you got seagulls even braving it. Beach that's been washed up. You got Pablo's Chippy across the road open. Which is a bit weird. You got all these closed. It's weird seeing these closed. I know it's end of season. You've got a gate open there and all for South Pier. Don't know why people would actually want to walk onto it. But I suppose it's one of them. You got Shelley's shack open over there, but does donuts stuff like that. Got the casino building, that's up there. All those Christmas decorations on the outside. Looks very festive. Yeah, you got that launch pad ride, which is covered up in scaffolding, which is being repainted to blue. Be nice if it could be like a transition from white to blue. But I'll tell you something, it'll be getting sandblasted in this weather. I don't think Sandcastle's open today. Oh yeah, sorry, I think it is open, but it'll be through that entrance there, where it's sheltered from the wind. I think. Here you got water. Yeah, it's open. You can hear people screaming from it. These slides here. But it's quite nice actually, being indoor. Nice warm swimming pool and everything. Got an app here as well, Go Blackpool, your app for discounts, offers, events, news and more. Download the app at Go Blackpool. Keep Blackpool tidy, bin it, including gum, cigarettes and dog poo. Snow White on ice at the Blackpool Push Beach Arena. And yep, that rain's coming. Whoa, look at that. Just in distance there, all that rain just swirling across the road. Look at that. Right, yeah, we'll try and cross over and get under some shelter. Okay, I got some shelter just here. Even though it's a bit wet and windy. Oh, I got CCTV there. Yeah, I think they've got all these bills blocked off of the arcade machine, so then we don't get broken into. Yeah, there's the machines in there, block the doorways. It's a shame that this isn't open though. But saying that, I wouldn't get many people in it, unfortunately. It would have been nice to have seen it open, since it's recently been refurbished inside. One thing I've never looked in before is Ripley's, believe it or not. Let's see what's in it one day. I think they've got the exit shop there. Yeah, I've never been inside Ripley's. Never. Paddington, Pooh. Yeah, I think I'm going to cut underneath this tunnel to try and get out the bad weather that we've got. Try and keep sheltered. And we'll take a look to see what's going on with the Grand Prix area as well whilst we're under this tunnel. So it's a tunnel that just runs underneath Blackpool Push Beach here. It's still going to be windy, but at least I'll be sheltered a bit. sign there says that the car park's open, but it's actually not. It's actually closed. So if you wish to park up and go and see the shows, you have to park up along here and pay the council for parking. Here you got the Infusion roller coaster here. And a bit further up. Oh my god, look at all this light coming through. This is where the Grand Prix ride used to be. As you can see, they actually cleared it. Completely cleared the site. What'd be good though is if they like tarmac all over that mud, make it into high ground rather than soft ground. So I think Pleasure Beach is actually built on sand or soft surface. Not entirely sure. Yeah, that'll be a big clean up. You've still got bits of debris there. Yeah, it certainly makes a difference anyway. Anyway, I'm going to end that video here. If you enjoyed it, hit like button, hit subscribe, ding on that notification bell, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Take care, peace out, and hope you have a good Christmas.